Hello friend, myself Mrs. Poonam Maheshingde. I am working as an assistant professor in Computer Science Department, Vignan Mahavidyalay, Malkapur. Friend, today we are going to discuss about how to join the classroom using the Google Classroom app on Android mobile. First of all, we see what is the Google Classroom. Google Classroom is a free web-based tool developed by Google. It was introduced on 12th August in the year of 2014. It is mainly used by the teacher and student for sharing the file between them. In the Google Classroom, teacher can create the assignment for the students and can also collect the assignment from them. Both the teacher as well as student can work without the use of the paper in this application. The main objective of the Google Classroom is to create the grade and distribute the assignments in the paperless way. So this web-based application also integrate with the other tools of Google into the Google Drive and Google Docs. So friend, we see what are the features of various features of Google Classroom. The first feature is assignment, second is for announcement of any notice, then communication between student and teacher with the help of the Google Meet, then Google Calendar, Google Forms, mobile application and privacy. These are the features of the Google Classroom. So friend, the sign in setup of Google Classroom is we can sign in with the help of the computer system or laptops or with the help of the Android phones. So friend, everyone have the Android mobile, then we see how to sign in the Google Classroom on an Android mobile. If you are either a teacher or a student and you have to use the Google Classroom on your Android device, firstly you have to download and install the application of Classroom using following two steps. First, in your Android device, tap the Google Play Store app. That means click the Play Store app. Now find the Google Classroom app and click the install button. Here search the Google Classroom app and tap the install button. So wait for installing this application. After some time, a Google Classroom app is successfully installed in your Android device. After downloading and installing of the Google Classroom app, you have to follow the steps for signing into the Google Classroom. Wait for some time. Here the open button is enabled for opening this app. So we click on that open button. So next step is tap the get started button. Tap the get started button. Then next step is now tap on the add account, or if you have existing account then select the account. Suppose I select the account, my account, and click on the OK button. Now I entered into the Google Classroom. So friend, now on this screen, after tapping, you are successfully logged into the Google Classroom on your Android device. So friend, suppose you have to join the classroom, then create the plus button and join the class. Here you enter the class code. Suppose you have a class code of computer science classroom. Suppose the class code is 2ORSRW5. Suppose this is the class code that you have given from your teacher. So this is the class code that enter into the class code option and join that class. Wait for some minute, then you have directly joined the class. The class name is BSc first year CPS PCM 2020-21. This is the CPS group. So friend, there are three tabs: streams, classwork and people. So friend, The stream tab is used for communication with the help of the email, and you should post your you can share information with teacher on the stream. The second tab is a classwork tab. Here the teacher can post the class material, videos, audios, or written material or assignment or quizzes onto classwork. That means teacher can assign the material or assignment to you. Here that will see on into the classwork menu. Now third one is the people. Here in the people there are which teacher are created or included in this group, and who are the classmate of your that are seen in the people tab. So here teacher name and classmates are you have seen in this classroom, Google Classroom of people tab. So there are three tabs: stream, classwork, and people. If some information that share your teacher with student, then it will be share with your class. Here it will be add the class comment or add the information or notice here into the stream. So classwork means here teacher will assign you some classwork, some assignment, or some quiz in the classwork tab. And people, here people, in that people there are teachers and classmate on your class. So friend, hope you have to understand how to join the classroom, Google Classroom, with the help of your Android mobile. If you have any query, then ask me. Thank you friend.